Hello everyone, I just wanted to show you guys my meal prepping for the weeks so that I do things. So I'm just going to start off from the beginning. This was last month, but this is basically an inventory that I do every month, just specifically to kind of get a view of what it is that I do have in my cupboards, in my pantry, the freezer, refrigerator, all of that. So this is kind of where I just start, and this is my monthly sheet, and I just have it here so I can kind of see whether or not I kind of stuck to my meal plan, and if I have it highlighted, then I did. And then the yellow is just to show where all the kids' breaks are, which Thanksgiving break is now here. We're here today, Saturday. And so this is when I do my meal prepping. I did do it last week. I just didn't write it in. It was for the sake of the video, but weekly meal plan prep. And then the same thing for this week. But anyway, so that's what happens there. And just have it clipped here because this was last week, where I just kind of kept track of all the stuff that we did eat. And then I did have my sticky notes here to kind of put them on my in my mega planner or in my note to self book so that I could keep track of what meals we were having, like this one. This is what I'm probably going to be doing as far as a meal plan for this week, so I just put sticky notes that I keep in my planner here in the beginning. Sorry for the kids in the background. They get hyped sometimes watching Super Y. But okay, where am I looking here? Okay, so where this burger clip is, I don't know why I keep forgetting that the burger clip tells me where all my little taggies are, but this is where I just kind of keep all of the meals that I usually do, because usually if I do certain meals, I'll go with others during the day, because I feel like it kind of goes along with that. And so, okay, so as you can see, yeah, I just had sticky notes here, and I put some more sticky notes to make it look even better. What I usually try to do is write out what we actually had that day so that I can go ahead and, let myself know that that's what we had those past weeks. Not that it really matters because I usually end up writing it here anyway, so I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this particular system up or if I'm just going to put the stickies on these. But I'm running out of these weekly, so that's kind of why I started doing it. Okay, and so this is this week. This is my little flap to keep me on track so that I can basically figure out where I am in my planner. So I've started doing inventory. Well, no, this is kind of a list of things that I want to buy based on the stuff that I have for right here. So basically what I did is just add in a page so that I could write out all the things that I'm going to be doing today. So to start off with, inventory, and I have that inventory list, I put it, okay, right here, behind the page that I am making a list of stuff to do for. So I'm going to do my inventory again, and I got these, I think I got these from Daiso, I think. It was either Daiso or the Target Dollar Spot, and it was a list pad, and I just cut it and put it in here. So as you can see, the first thing I do is my inventory and grocery list, which I've done that already for the most part. I have more things to add on here, but there's certain places I have to go first to see, what's on sale and what's not, and blah, 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 blah. So the next thing is I wanted to drop a few things off at the food bank, and then I wanted to go to the grocery store so that I could pick up the remainder items that I had that I need for the things that are coming up. And this is a list of stuff that I need to add to my inventory so that I can make these meals possible. So flip over and we have this here, my inventory list, and I can just write notes as I go. And these weekly bulk items are very, very, very helpful and useful to me. I know this looks like a lot of what I showed you before, but I pretty much do a lot of the same meals all of the time because my kids have autism, and they only like certain foods, and they will only eat certain foods, and they'll throw up other foods, and there's certain foods they can't have, and it's just, yeah. So, okay, so the first one that I'm going to be trying this this month is I'm going to do the quick freeze paninis that I saw from Pioneer Woman. I saw a recipe on one of her recent shows, and I really like the idea of creating paninis and storing them in the freezer. This makes 12 paninis, and that would last us the entire week. That's not including if I wanted to give the kids cereal or oatmeal or something like that. So I really like that idea, and I'm going to be doing that this week. That should give us 1 to 2 weeks of panini meals. And then I wanted to do the very berry croissants that she also had on that same show. So I really liked those, and I like the idea of the frozen yogurt bar. I wanted to try to do that this month because I believe my kids are huge fans of yogurt. They are, and I figured this kind of frozen yogurt bar might be an awesome thing to take on the go instead of things like granola bars that have so much sugar in them. So that's what I do here, and I just have an extra page if I want to come up with some other bulk things that I want to do, which obviously I am, because I usually do things like these here. I'll create a giant batch of tuna, make a huge batch of enchiladas with chicken or beef with beans and rice, and then obviously I'm going to be doing these two now. So I really like the idea of this, and I just kind of wanted to share with you guys. This is my meal prepping, so I don't write everything specifically set in stone because, not for every single day that is, because I want to be able to, change things out. That's why they're on sticky notes so that I can switch them around, and then, once that's finished, then I'll probably just kind of skip this around with me week to week. I don't know, but it's kind of glued to the back of this page, so we'll see, because I have it so that it's set up for the entire rest of the month, and then I go on into December and the same thing. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. This is kind of what I'll be doing, and I am excited for it to go through as it's supposed to, and I will try to keep you guys updated on how this flows and how it's going for me. Love this taco. It's just a magnet, paper clip that I made so that I can keep these two pages, well, any of the pages thereafter together. So it's pretty much going to be just like this, and awesome sauce. So that's it, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.